Root API, a new concept of moderation by CodePaint team. What is Root API? Root API is a community tool made for the community and managed by the community, where all people can help improve it. It has a bot on Discord that is actually linked to the API. You, as a user, can add a specialized bot to a Discord channel and manage a personal catalog of banned words, including the global ones, to have a clean chat, and you can help improving and maintaining the API by making requests to include new words to the list of offensive words. It offers a dictionary full of offensive words that is approached by a bot that analyzes missiles and search readings and then censors it. Interesting fact, enterprises like Discord, despite of being one of the most popular communication channels for gamers, it has just a few words that are actually banned. I'm going to explain about the parts of the project. But first, who are the CodePaint team? We have Joshua Mesa as a Scrum Master and Product Owner, Jonathan Gomez as part of the development team and as Product Owner, and Luis Ortega and Fabricio Luna as part of the development team. Basically, we create a database with different tables. The idea is to have this bank of words in the most orderly way possible. That is why each language has a unique ID. We also create tables for future word requests, for banned users, for language available, errors, and others that will be useful when managed the bot. We use SQL for the database. You can find the code of the database in our repository. We develop our API using PHP. Its function is to consume the input from the database based on the specified language. The idea is to retrieve only the necessary information and this facilitates the search for the word in the database. You can find the documentation and coding of our API in our repository. In it, you will find the links to retrieve a specific language. In addition, you will find a user manual along with the documentation, how to consume the API with Python, and the necessary information about its operation. Before teaching how to use the bot, let's take a look at the repository. In it, you will find all the documentation related to the work, all the codes and the resources used, from the use case diagrams to the Python files that make up the bot works. You can read how it was the definition of the project, the work process, the difficulties we had, the standards, the user use of both, the bot and the API, and in general, the information related to how the project was carried out. You will find the link to it in the video description. To join into your server, you just need to follow the repository instructions and choose which one you want to add it to. It is important that you activate the developer mode in your profile so as not to miss any functionality. Once on the server where you have added the bot, by typing the help command, you will find a guide to the bot functions, which are described in the user manual. Again, the link to all the documentation and the bot tutorial is in the repository. As we look, when we try to install, the bot automatically deletes the message. When we activate the penalty mode, the bot begins to count the time that a user has installed it. If the counter reaches 5, it will be expelled from the server. In addition, Rootbot notifies you by private message why your message was deleted and the number of warnings accumulated. To finish, I invite you to test the bot and read about all its features. Greetings, CodePay team.